Hi guys, my name is ZAdams with BISH'S RV in Meridian, Idaho. Behind me I'm going to show you a quick walk around of a 2022 Heartland Torque travel trailer toy hauler. It's a lot to say. Let's see what this thing has to offer. Follow me. Okay. All right guys, so this is the Heartland T26 toy hauler from Torque. This is a nice open design floor plan. You got your kitchen up front, so you got your sink, nice, lots of counter space. One of the things I really like about this is you got tons of counter space, solid surface countertops. It's a one big deep sink here, and we got nice light colors, helps it stay nice and open. Storage up top, big cabinet storage here. You got your TV for watching the game. So here on the floor, you've got tie downs. These are 2,500 pound pull strength on each one of these tie downs, located throughout the floor of the coach, so you can strap down your razors, your ATVs, your motorcycles. The slide here in the kitchen really helps for those that a lot of times you get your side-by-side in and there's not a lot of room to get out of your side-by-side. With the slide here, it gives you a full width, full 8 feet to be able to get out of your side-by-side and then strap it down. So super convenient. You got up top, you've got a radius rolled roof, so it gives you that extra height. Ceiling fan, JBL audio system with a subwoofer. Super great there. You've got your Happy Jack electric bed system with couches that also turn into beds down here. And then who doesn't like a party deck? Let's get out here and have a party. So this is a 2,500 pound ramp for bringing your toys in and out. But once you get there, this adds to your living space. So dogs can't get out because you got your patio railing here. It's a really great way to add to your living space. All right, in the bedroom area, you've got good sized wardrobes with outlets next to the bed here. Couple drawers. This is a king size bed, folks. This is comfort while you're camping. You got that extra room. No reason to not have the same luxuries you have at home. Your gen set is up here in the front. It's a 4,000 watt Cummins Onan generator. So that allows you to power everything in this coach, including your 15,000 BTU AC. The bathroom here, full service bathroom. So you've got radius corner shower, glass door. You don't have a curtain sticking to your fanny. Then you got lots of extra storage here in the bathroom, along with a usable medicine cabinet. All right, guys, so the Torque has a great color scheme this year. Got some teal in their logo. Looks awesome. 18-foot power awning here. So that's really providing shade here in the front of your coach. 16-inch wheels and tires. You've got electric stabilizer jacks, both front and rear, which help for really providing convenience once you get to your camp space. You also got lights here in the back for hooking up your toy and bringing it in, and a screen wall that comes down, keeps those bugs out. Fully walkable roof. You've got your Cummins Onan generator. This is a great unit. If you're looking to have 13 feet of cargo space, you need something in that kind of range, this is a great unit for your needs. Give us a call here at BISH'S RV in Meridian, Idaho. Again, my name's ZAdams, and like and subscribe if you like the video. Take care.